Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve if you go to the message option on your new iOS 26 update. You cannot see all the messages right now. As you can see, I am only seeing 3 messages here. So if you're having this problem, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve them. So to do that, click this option, click it. And here you can see there are different kinds of messages. The messages are unknown sender. If I click this unknown sender, I'm going to find all the messages here. And if I click the spam option here, as you can see, there are no messages right now. It kind of a little bit hassle to find all of this message on a single place. And to solve this, go to the filter option again, select the message manage filter option here. It will bring you to this page, and here, as you can see, screen unknown sender, this is the option. You have to turn it off. As you can see, I turned it off. And if I go back to the message app again, and as you can see, all the messages are showing on one place. So as you can see, the message filter is off so that I can see all the messages here. So this is the solution, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.